I'm back with my MacBook Air with the new Apple M1 chip, 8 GB of memory. So I've been putting it through its paces, throwing some tasks at it, and today we're going to see how Excel performs on this thing. So I've got some dummy data files here. This one's got 100,000 records, 500,000 records, and this one has 1,000,000 records. So let's start with the 100,000 and see how it goes. So just opening the file, and that's Excel coming up. There you go. That's the file. Like I said, 100,000 records or rows in this file. If I do a little pinch to zoom, you can see that the interface is very responsive. There's no lag, there's no jankiness or anything like that. It feels great and it looks good as well. Now, if I were to sort of convert this data into a table, like so, pretty much instantaneous. If I now try adding a column to it, this plus this, the column gets added instantly. I can try doing a little sorting and searching. So on the units sold column, we will do an ascending sort first. So I say ascending. Now this does take a little time. You get the beach ball, but again, it is a large data set, so I would expect it to take a little bit of time anyways. Yeah, just waiting for this. I'm not cutting this in any way, so you get a sense of how long it actually takes. So I'm not going to crop this video. And yeah, there we go. So now it is sorted on the units sold. You can see it starting from 1 and going the other way. If I do now a filter on this thing, so I say greater than or equal to, let's say greater than 5,000 on the units sold. So I do, there you go. That's so the filtering works actually very fast indeed. If I now say less than 5,000, there you go. So now I have less than 5,000. But the sorting, well, the sorting is also actually now, maybe the first time it was a little bit slow, but now the sorting is also working quite nicely. So this is just a quick demo on 100,000 records file. So this has worked out like a champ. If I go to the table, I can just change the colors, of course. Just everything happens very nicely indeed. And as you can see, we got 100,000 records, out of which currently filtered are about half of them. So let's close this file here. Don't save. And open a bigger file. This one has 500,000 records, so bigger challenge for Excel, and let's see how it does. So opening it up takes a little bit longer to open it up, but it does open quite nicely. Again, the interface is still responsive, no problems there. And again, I'm going to do the same things. So I convert this into a table. That does not take long. I will add a column to it. So this is equal to this plus this, and the column gets added. Again, 500,000 records in this thing. And now let's just do a little filtering like we did before. So on the unit sold column, I will first do a little filter. So I'll say greater than 5,000. Let's just move it here, and it's done. So again, the filtering works very fast indeed. I can say now less than or equal to 5,000, and boom, it works. 500,000 records, as you can see. It's very, very fast indeed. Clear the filters. Now I'm going to do the sort, and this is where it'll probably either crash or take a very, very long time, because I've tried this before and this does not go that well. So let's see how it goes this time. So I say ascending sort, and yeah, this is probably going to crash at this point, or it's going to take a very long time and I'm not going to wait it out. So again, overall the performance is excellent. This is, remember, a file with 500,000 records. So if you are using industrial size files with a lot of records, then you'll probably need to do a bit more research. But up to 100,000 records, it handled everything like a champ, no problems at all. Now the data set that I'm using for this example is from this site, and I'm just showing this to you. It's e4excel.com. On their download section, they have all these files, and I've used this file, the 100,000 file, and the 500,000 file, and they of course also have a 1,000,000 file. And I'm showing this to you because you can download the same file on your machine, do the same operations that I did, and then you can do a little comparison between how the new M1 MacBook has handled them and how your current machine handles them, and you'll have a little sense of the performance. Yeah, so the sorting on a 500,000 record file is not going to happen, or it's going to take a very, very, very long time. It'll probably crash. But up to 100,000 records, no problems at all. Native interface, native performance, looking very, very good. For my needs, Excel is working like a champ, and I would recommend it. Thank you.